I'm here at Bira Circuit for this car. Just wait till the deafening noise of an Audi GT3 engine goes past, because you're not going to hear me speak over that. But anyway, I'm here at Bira Circuit because B-Quik Racing are shaking down their two GT3 Audis. And the reason they're shaking them down is that last season, Thailand Super Series is a very truncated season because of COVID. It didn't get going till later on in the year. And while most race organisers across Asia cancelled their series in entirety, Racing Spirit, who organised Thailand Super Series, they did a great job to put together a very small championship. They had 2 rounds with a fortnight between them and 2 races each round. So a 4-race championship and 4 races literally over just over 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks of action. So it's pretty impressive that they managed to do that. B-Quik Racing, they went into that series defending their drivers and teams championships in GT3. Here it's back again. And they came out on top. It was a tight championship. B-Quik, after the first round, were on the back foot. It wasn't looking like they retained their titles. The second round, they got stuck in, they dug in. A lot of things happened. There was crashes and people moving around, and they came out on top. They defended their championships. They won them again. So they're pretty happy. And now they go into the 2020 season, which should be bigger. It should be 4 rounds, 3 in Buriram and Bang Sen. The street race was cancelled last year, back on the calendar in July. So they go into the championship looking for a hat-trick of drivers and teams titles, but it is going to be difficult because they've got a lot of top rivals. They want the titles. It's very competitive in GT3. It's a smaller field, but it's highly competitive. And the organisers kept all the top teams together through COVID. Back again. And that's one of the problems with coming to Bira for testing. This is a very short track. It's 2.4 kilometers, 12 corners. And so the GT3 cars, well, today they're not pushing them. They're doing about 106, 107 times. They're taking it easy. They're just shaking the cars down. But the fastest times here, when GT3 used to race here properly about 7, 8, 9 years ago, they were doing like 57, 58, 59 seconds in qualifying. Insanely fast. But GT3 cars have outgrown this track, so it's just used if you want to do a shakedown, something like that. You couldn't race them anymore. They're too big, too fast for this track. So anyway, after the season finished last year in November, B-Quik take the cars back to the race shop in Bangkok, rebuilt them all. All the transmissions have been rebuilt, a lot of other stuff. It's back again. We're another minute on. So all the transmission systems been rebuilt, so it's a shakedown, get them ready for the new season. So the 2 cars, the number 1 car has been out already. This is the number 26 now, it's just completing its run. But basically it's done an installation lap, a 5-lap run, and then a 10-lap run. Everything checks out, all finished. Team should be done by midday, and the cars are ready for the new season. But it's nice to be here. Bira Circuit is kind of like motorsport's outgrown it, and since Buriram came along in 2014, the major motorsport has gone up there. But it's still nice to hear GT3 engines here, even if they're not full chat. They're still pulling 220 on the straight. So it's pretty cool to see these 2 cars here, and the noise is obviously beautiful. I haven't heard a GT3 engine this year, so it's nice to be out here. Nice to hear all that noise again. And it's back again. So that's it basically. And also if you look in the sky, there's a few dark clouds, and the forecast is for rain here today. So it's a sunny Wednesday morning in the Pattaya countryside, but maybe it's going to be rain later on. So the team want to get this all finished and done before the rain comes, be on their way back to Bangkok.
we have the time.
Yeah. So if you
We
have
do 1 or 2 for the moment. So we go for 10 flying. Okay?